Welcome back everyone. There seems to be another issue with these Xboxes that have been going around for a while, which is the black screen of death. Now the process to fix this, there's not just one way to do it, there can be multiple different ways, and the first thing I would honestly recommend you to try is to actually go ahead and pretty much unplug everything from your console. So as long as there's not some hardware reset problem or hardware issue with your TV, then you just want to unplug everything from your console, and this is a great first step into fixing this. Now once everything's unplugged, you want to give it about 30 seconds to even like a couple of minutes, let the console kind of sit there and power cycle. And at this point, what you want to do is plug everything back into the console and try turning it back on. Now, it's not a guarantee that this will fix it, but sometimes a simple fix like this can actually end up fixing the problem. So at this point, you want to go ahead and plug everything back in, turn it on, and see if it actually ended up fixing the issue. If it did, then great. If it didn't, then obviously you're going to have to move on to the next thing. Now, some people have actually mentioned that once turning on the console and it's still a black screen, that there's actually a button thing that you can press to actually go ahead and potentially fix this. So what you want to do is you want to hold down the RT button, which is the trigger, and you also want to click on the Y button as well on the same time. Now, while you're clicking on them and your console is starting up, you want to go ahead and, hold those buttons down and see if that actually ended up fixing it. Again, not a guarantee, but this may actually end up fixing the problem. Now, some people have also mentioned that if you're able to go ahead and, get into the Xbox store, that you can actually go ahead and potentially fix this issue. So in order to do that, what you want to do is you want to make your way over to your Xbox store, then you want to click A as soon as it comes up, and then you can go ahead and make your way back to your dashboard, and this may actually end up fixing the problem in and of itself. Again, not a guarantee, but this may actually end up fixing it. Now, another reason why this may be happening is if there's an issue with the Xbox Online, issues there. So what you want to do here is you want to first disconnect your Wi-Fi or Ethernet settings if you have your console enabled. You may even want to, fully turn off your Wi-Fi if you're not able to go ahead and access your console. And then you want to unplug again your Ethernet port if you have one on your Xbox console, and you want to try powering it back on. Sometimes there can be some issues with some, internet settings that may be, causing some issues. So doing this may actually end up fixing the issue as well. Now, those are the main ways to go ahead and fix this as far as I can tell. If you guys have any other alternatives or anything, let me know in the comment section below. We could go and take a look at it there and see if any of those things fix it. If you guys have any other questions or anything, let me know in the comment section as well. Hit the like button, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.